The Lord be with you.
and with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, "Be merciful just as your Father is merciful. Stop judging, and you will not be judged. Stop condemning, and you will not be condemned. Forgive, and you will be forgiven. Give, and gifts will be given to you. A good measure, packed together, shaken down, and overflowing, will be poured into your lap. For the measure with which you measure will in return be measured out to you." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
By now, alam niyo na po siguro yung mga nangyayari sa ating daigdig. And I think the world is hurting big time. Why? Why might you say that? Why you may ask me why? Because most of Filipinos workers, overseas workers, are all over the globe. And because of what is happening in the Middle East, the attack versus Iran, I'm sure many of us are worried about our loved ones who may be there in that area. At siyempre, kinakabahan tayo. The world is hurting right now, big time. Even before that, actually, marami na rin tayo mga sources of our anxieties and worries about ourselves, about our country, about China, etc., etc. And kapag ka sinasabi natin the world is hurting big time, in other words, affected tayong lahat. Ngayon, makikita natin at mababasa natin sa balita na pwedeng umakyat o tumaas na naman ang presyo ng gasolina at pahirap na naman yan sa taong bayan. Nangyayari sa ICC, nangyayari sa investigasyon ng corruption, etc., etc. So, hindi tayo pwede magstay calm and chill out, in other words. So, the world is hurting big time. Ano ho bang epekto niyan sa ating individual lives? Sa ating binasa ang Ebanghelyo, ang pambungad na sinabi ng ating Panginoon, "Be merciful just as your Father is merciful." Meron hong consequence yan, di ba? Kapag sinabi natin yan, we recognize na hindi natin alam kung anong nangyayari sa mga tao sa ating paligid. We do not know the entire story. Kaya nga, dapat tayo ay maging mas forgiving and mas merciful because we do not really know the stories of each and every person. Lalong-lalo na yung mga malalapit sa atin. Di ba? Kuminsan, people really, make sacrifices not to affect the others. Like for example, kahit may problema sila, hindi nila ipinapakita, di ba? Laughing on the outside, pero crying on the inside. Kasama yan sa ating buhay di ba? Ayaw natin maka-apekto sa ibang tao. And that is the reason perhaps why Jesus tells us not to judge or condemn, but to be forgiving. Maybe that is why Jesus tells us to love our enemies, do good to those who hate us, to bless those who curse us, and to pray for those who bully us and abuse us. Maybe that is why we are not to return violence for violence, because we do not really know the story of the person next to us. Kaya nga, huwag tayong masyadong mabilis maghusga. Yung hindi natin pagkakaalam kung anong nangyayari o pinagdadaanan ng isang nilalang, we must continue to hold that tension. Hindi natin alam di ba? Ang buong mundo nga nakakaramdam ng pain because of conflict, because of the power of a superpower. That is why we have to pay attention to our behavior and choose to be large instead of being narrow. Choosing to be large means that affects our choices. Kailangan pag-isipin lamang natin ang ating sarili. Ano ba ang sinasabi ng Panginoon sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, di ba? To be large, to understand people. Before we go into judgment, intindihin natin, baka meron siyang pinagdaraan ng matindi, di ba? Chances are there is someone in each of our lives who is hanging on by a thread. Sinulid na lang at bibigay na at susuko na. It could be a family member, isang kaibigan, isang kasama sa trabaho, o kahit stranger, someone who is a fixture in our life, or someone who is just passing through. Sometimes, maaring may kutob tayo na desperado na, lalong-lalo na dito sa lugar ng Manawag. Marami ho ang mga tao dito, hindi na alam kung anong gagawin sa buhay nila, hindi nila alam kung bakit nangyayari ang mga bagay-bagay na na-experience nila. So, hanging by a thread, ano bang ibig sabihin nun? At any time, they can snap and surrender na lang sa destiny nila. And they are in need of love, just as we also need love, mercy and forgiveness, prayer, a blessing, our compassion, our generosity, and the benefit of the doubt na tinatawag natin. Hindi natin sigurado, hindi natin alam 100% ang kanilang mga pinagdaraanan. So they also need an open heart, open hands, for us to be generous to them. We all know what that is like because there must have been a time also when we were hanging by a thread. So sana sa araw na ito, hindi tayo maging gunting na puputol sa sinulid na iyon.